Sean.
Marco.
We are here to deliver a message from the RSA conference team.
It's an important message from our friends. RSA Conference 2025, just around the corner, where insights drive action, solutions emerge, and community connections spark innovation. You'll be there. I'll be there. We invite everybody else to be there April 28th through May 1st. You can secure your spot at rsaconference.com/ITSPMAG25. That's ITSPMAG25. See you all there.
I'll be there. See you there.
All right. So I can hear us. We're rolling.
You ready rolling?
I'm going to drop this.
You sure you're rolling, Sean?
I think we're rolling.
See?
Here we are.
Wouldn't be the first time that we recorded an
I was
interview.
just talking about that earlier.
Doesn't go. And then we have to do it again, but she doesn't have time.
We don't have time to do that. We're gonna have a good old chat with Amanda. Amanda, how are you?
I'm doing very well today. How are you today,
Very good. It's been a fabulous day, fabulous few days
Good.
in Orlando, Zero Trust World. And I have to be honest, it's no secret for people who've heard my show before. You have the best role, in my opinion. Solution engineers, system engineers, solution architects, whatever the term is that organizations have for it, you get to see all the cool stuff.
I do. I get to not only see all the cool stuff, but I get to work with some really awesome people, both of our partners as well as our support teams internally. So it's a really fun position to have as well.
Yeah, and I have to say, I'm here to cover the event, and I talk to many people, and I've spoke to way too many people to actually believe that it's true, that they really feel that ThreatLocker is a human company.
We love,
and many hope it stays like that.
It's
So I'm sure that's part of your job to make a human for that. So tell me about that relationship.
Yes, absolutely. So when somebody that's never used ThreatLocker before first wants to engage with us, when they get a demo, they're assigned a solution engineer. That's their technical point of contact through the life of that engagement. Whether I just want to see it, I don't want to touch it yet, or I want to touch it, I want to implement, I want to onboard, I'm in loving with it, and I'm going to move forward with you. We're stuck. I like to say they're stuck with me at that point forward, right? And we get to, even after they sign, I'm the one there with them day in, day out, helping build those policies, helping make sure their environment gets to the maturity level we want them and they want to be at with the tools that we can provide.
I think it was Danny that mentioned at the opening of the event that he wanted to build something that worked for small organizations up to large enterprise organizations. And I think he's done that. And you can attest to that, working directly with small through MSPs and up to the enterprise. What are some of the things you can highlight in that regard?
So back to that human conversation and working with that small, medium, large, right? Whether you're 5 people trying to do this all on your own, or you have an army of people with you, there's a place for ThreatLocker in that organization. Not only are you paired with your technical point of contact, your solution engineer, we also have 24-hour support that's available all day long, every day, live humans based in Orlando, Florida. So our goal is to respond to a chat request within a minute. And our partners know they're getting a person, not a bot, not a automatic knowledge base that they can build off of. They're getting a human that they can interact with and fix whatever problem may be going wrong instantly with them. And that's huge, whether, again, you have those 2-3 people that are trying to manage that organization on our own, or that 2 dozen in there, there's someone always with ThreatLocker to make sure anything that they need is available.
Any case study that comes to mind where you have interacted with customizing a solution recently, maybe? I'm sure you've done it many times, but it's something that kind of stuck as a case study.
What I find interesting is every single partner that I have come through, even if they're in the same realm or field of work, their environment is going to be completely custom. They're not going to have the same printers, they're not going to have the same software, they're not going to have the same Microsoft license even. So being able to build rules that are specific and intentional for their environments is massive. And that's that partnership philosophy that comes all the way through. Whether it's struggling with one application, making sure that custom in-house dev work developed application gets to run and operate and update on its own without that intervention is massive. This is really fun to have partners say, I sleep better at night because I know I'm more secure.
Yeah. That's fantastic. It's great to meet the humans behind the human nature that people are talking about here at Zero Trust World, and obviously the humans are are what make the tech work.
Right, absolutely.
And so it's fantastic chatting with you, Amanda.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time today, Sean. I
Keep
appreciate
up the good
it
work.
greatly. Yes, you as well.
Stay human.
Thank you. I'll try my best.
Thank you.
And enjoy all the humanness of ThreatLocker. Stay tuned for more coming to you from Zero Trust World here in Orlando.
Thank you.
Thank you. All righty.
Okay.
This is a special announcement. We are heading to RSA conference in San Francisco for our 11th years of coverage, April 28, May 1st.
And as always, we'll bring you keynotes, conversations with organizers, speakers, industry leaders, plus the latest insights from the world of cybersecurity.
And we'll reconnect with old friends, meet new ones, and of course, we want you and your company to join us.
We have a few spots left for full sponsorship and our on-location briefings. You can book yours now at itspmagazine.com/RSAC.
We're going.
And you're coming with us.